How to change email address on Instagram account. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram account and then hit your profile icon at the right bottom of your screen, and then click on the three lines at the very top, and then proceed to your settings at the very top of your screen. And then click on your personal detail. You can see the personal detail option at the very top. Just click on your personal details and then again go to your personal details just below your account in account settings. And it will take you to this page. Just click on your email address at the very top of your screen. Now you can easily replace the new email with older one. Just wait. And here you can see your email address. You have to click on your email address and then you can easily enter new email address here. Just click on add a new contact and then click on email address and then enter your email address. Make sure that your email address is correct. If you enter any unknown email address here, then you will not able to recover your account in future. So just type your email address very carefully. Just enter the email address and then select your Instagram account just below. Make sure that your email address is correct. If you enter any wrong email address, so in future when you forgot your password, you can't recover your account. Just select your Instagram account, then again enter your email address here and then click on the next. I'm just entering my own email address here and then click on the next at the bottom of your screen. Just click on the next and then it will take you to the next page where you have to enter the code sent on your email address. Just get out of here, go to your email account or Gmail account, whatever it is. Just go to your account and check the mail there. At the very top you can see I have received my email, my code here. Just copy this code from your Gmail account and then get out of here, go to your Instagram again and then paste that code in that space. Enter your confirmation code. Just enter your confirmation code and then hit the next. You can see at the bottom of your screen. Once you hit the next, you can easily change your email, your older email with a new one. It's pretty quick and easy way to change your email address or replace your email address. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.